Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group, and the Sweet Pea Papers coffee shop. So this is my design team project for November of 2024 for LineDotArrow, and I used Steampunk Kit number 4. Steampunk Kit number 5 is also being featured this month, and you can get both of them on sale at the LineDotArrow Etsy shop. Anything I mention, the links are all below. All my Facebook groups and my coffee shop and Natalie's Etsy shop and, you know, the Facebook groups and all that. This is a challenge month, so there are 3 challenges. There's giveaway, there's challenge Facebook groups involved and all that. If you want to hear about all that, watch videos 1 through 5 and you can get all that information. And the information's below the video as well. Now, this is the flip through board, as you guys know. So we're going to do the flip through of my design team project. We got some gears going on here and a clock. Wants to be ornery most of the time. So this is a manila folder folio. I used 2 manila folders and 2 pieces this size. Okay. To get the colors on here, I used gathered twigs, spiced marmalade, and black soot. And I took the pad on my glass surface, which is underneath the board, and smeared it around, and then I sprayed it with water to activate it and kind of make it, well, wet. And then I took the file folders and I just kind of dabbed them on it, and it gave me the this effect here, splattered effect. I got some eyelets all throughout. I've got charms all throughout, and I've got gears, keys, clocks, and a couple other things I think in through here. So this is the cover, and these are glued on with Fabri-Tac. Fabri-Tac does fabulous gluing metal to paper. This is held on by a Velcro, a hook and loop fastener, because of this little feature in here, the way it works. This is a file folder piece, and this is the gusset right here. And so, since it's put on and it opens like this, you see, then you can't just put a magnet on it because it slides. The papers slide up and down. Okay, so on this page there's some gears. There's a gear with some clock hands on it. There's a writing page here. Then there's another writing page with some gears on it. And our Look at Me page. Oops, caught on that gear. On page 2, we've got our little heart charm with the keyhole, and here's our key that opens up our heart. Isn't that sweet? And there's 3 eyelets. This is the back sides of them. On the page here is an acetate belly band with a gear glued to the belly band, not the card underneath. And this piece of ephemera is held on by 2 brads that we put on before we glued the belly band down. And when you take this out, you'll see the card. I put this balloon on top of the card. It's floating around. There's no ground underneath it anyway. And there's 3 brads. And on the back is a tuck with a card, writing card. Most of these are okay to put in and take out in the flip through. Usually you don't. this is a pocket, and there's some more brads and another gear. We have 2 cards here. This one, whoopsie, this one has a little collage on the back. And we have our cool retro glasses, retro mechanical glasses. And I glued them on as a belly band, and here's our ticket with the number 1 attached. Then you open this flap, and on this side you have a pocket with an acetate window. You take the card out and you see the suitcase. I didn't put anything on the back of this card, left it for writing space because this pocket's a little tight. Can't really put any thickness to that card. On this side, since this is the pocket, this is the card. And on the back is a collage. I like this. Is a really big card. And then you turn the page. Oh, and then here's a charm made out of 2 gears attached to some more eyelets. This is the center spread, kind of. It's the 2 bigger pages. And CD cover. There's a card that comes out. When you take it out, there's a pocket on the back with 2 tags. It's held on by a magnet, right? Held shut by a magnet. There's a belly band with a card here. And some gears. And a collage over here. When you open this up, there's some ephemera here. And inside the envelope is this really cool card. And then you flip it over and there's a pocket with 2 more cards. Second time filming the flip through, so the cards weren't in there very neatly. And then we have another image page, and there's little bitty gold gears on here. I don't know. Can you see them shining in the light from the camera? Anyway, there's little gears here, tiny, tiny gears that I could barely pick up. You close this back, it's held by a magnet. And then you're on the back page, sort of. We've got the 3 gears on the back. This is not a gear, this is just kind of like a gizmo. And it's the same as the one on the front cover to kind of tie the whole thing together. This opens backwards. And there's 2 cards that I left with writing space on the back because they were small. And here's our image. Here's our glasses again. All right, come on. Sometimes those acetate belly bands are little stinkers. So are the pockets sometimes, which this is a pocket. With this image, this gear is glued to the acetate to look like it's attached to the clock hand. Here's some little decorative brads. Train. Gotta have a train. Another flying machine. Then we have this large balloon card in the back with a ton of writing space on the back. Alright, well that's it for this one. And this will be going in the shop, of course, so you can check it out there. And the flip throughs in the shop too if you want to look at it again. So check it out there. Make sure to check out these 2 kits at Natalie's shop, LineDotArrow at Etsy, and also, if you, these are on sale, the 2, number 4 and number 5, Steampunk Kit number 4 and number 5. And also, if you, she runs a special all the time, I believe, that if you get 6 to 10 kits, you get a certain percentage off. If you get 10 or more kits, then you get even a bigger percentage off. So you might want to go there and fill up your shopping cart and have some fun. Okay, well, that's it for this flip through. I will see you in the next video series or the design team series. And make sure to check out the coffee shop for the membership video series as well. Some nice 12 to 24 video series over there. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.